Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to use Adobe Scan for scanning the documents for our descriptive paper. So let's get started. You can see that there is a logo. The app icon is here, Adobe Scan, so just click on it. So once you click it, the screen will appear. So here you get numerous options. This is the option for documents, so we have to use this only for our for scanning our answer sheets. Other is form, in which scanning a form after saving you can in which we have to scan a form. Then there is a whiteboard. So these options are not for our purpose. Only we have to use is this document option. So once I use this option, just hold your mobile phone steady. The app is capturing the photo, and after capturing it shows me like this: resource and development, geography, chapter 1. It shows me that you can adjust it by its own, by your own also. And so I just adjust it. After adjusting it, I just want to continue the option. So once click on continue, where we got the option, just click on it. Then we got then it's resizing it. Now once the scan is completed, the page will appear like this. So you can also name it, you can also rename it. For example, geography, I name it by geography. So geography, and then I have to do I can do add image also. I can add image here also. For example, just your answer is not covering in one page, so you can add another page. So here I am adding this also. So it's also added. Again the procedure is same, but now my whole page is into this, so I don't have to change the layout. So then press continue. After continuing, I can see that there are two pages. For example, my answer sheet is of 2 pages, so I got the another answer sheet like this one. I can also crop this, rotate this, add color into it. For example, just we got different types of colors here, grayscale and many more other things. Then we also can clean up. For example, there is some unwanted thing, so for example I have to clean it. Okay, Karo. Then I have to clean this land resources. So just do this, land resources is clean. Just do this, checkpoint is clean. And just do this, conservation of resources is clean. So in this way we can also erase the text, and after erasing, just click on tick. After that, there are many options. For example, if the page is not clear, then you can delete it also. If everything is clear, then you can select the option that is save PDF. After selecting this option, this pop-up will show you here. Then this no thanks, that the PDF is being uploaded to the document. I can also there are many numerous options. I can also modify scan, print it also, delete, copy कर सकता हूँ मैं इसे, and many more other things are there also. If I want to only check it, and then here we got this. So this is a short tutorial video how to use Adobe Scan. I hope you all like it. Thank you.